This design was commenced by dropping this colorful pattern I found on Pinterest. Pinterest remains one of the best social platforms where you could find inspiration and other things concerning graphic design and so on and so forth. I placed these irregular edged elements on the background and then got rid of the darker parts. The next move was to bring in the logo by placing embedded and then typing the name of the church beside it. In order to portray visual hierarchy or the focal point of the design, I used images that portray the intentions of this art piece. I tried using the quick selection tool to get rid of the background from this image, but it failed. I went back slowly to pick the rejected stone, which was the pen tool, and it got the work done so perfectly. It also served as a stepping stone to removing the background without any hindrance. It was more time consuming due to the fact that we have to trace carefully the edges of the subject before any other selections could be made. I repeated the same process with a pen tool over and over again till I got rid of the background of the images remaining. For better visual communication, these pictures were arranged in a manner that wouldn't stress the viewer's eye. This beautiful brush art was placed behind the photos to create or improve hierarchy. In order for easy understanding, the title of the design was added, which happens to be a cultural Sunday. I tried using multicolors on the title and it worked right. I then added date, time, venue, and then certain essential call to action graphics to the design. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing as this will aid me provide more content of this sort. So this is the final outcome of our design. See you in my next video. Bye.